Eyes open.
Moving into position. Keep firing.
Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. And yes, that's right. It is time for the Mary Sue Plays Tomb Raider. I'm Sam. Welcome back to TMS Geek Girl HQ. And I seem to have found myself a nice little campfire at which to rest after killing those dudes. I don't really need to rest though, since I can't actually upgrade anything. Just wanted to sit by a campfire every once in a while. You know, when the snow is going horizontal past you, and you're just kind of standing in the wind, letting it whip your hair like a badass. How are you? How's your week been? I'm not, I won't know until you leave it in the comments, but hey, there's parts. But please leave us a comment, let us know how you're doing and what you would like to see on future installments of TMS Let's Plays, just by the way. Hey, I can read slightly better Russian now. Yay. I did it. I did a thing. Oh, almost. Oh, come on. Oh, you can definitely climb that, Lara. Come on. Okay. We're just gonna... Yes! Ooh! Use the Trinity Equipment Technician. Why don't I just purchase items from the Trinity Equipment Technician with my gun? I think that would be a pretty solid use.
Look, I'm on your side here. I've been working as a maintenance tech for Trinity out here, but I've got to get out of here. These people are insane.
So why are you charging me at all?
Gear. It's yours, if you can pay for it. They won't notice a few missing items, but if they catch wind, or if they see me with you, I'm a dead man. I'll need some untraceable currency in case things go south. Gold, preferably.
Oh, you asshole.
I'll see what I can dig up.
Ugh. You're the worst. Broke asunder. Wait, can I get... can I get rope arrows from this guy? Right hold. Jeez. I do not have the coinage for this crap. Oh well. I will just have to come back later then. Well, at least that's it. That's a pretty neat little twist. We saw, I think a couple episodes ago, that not everybody in the Trinity is really wild about this.
Creepy-looking guy with a scarred face named Constantine gave us a big speech.
Oh yeah, here we
talked
go.
about destiny and something called the Source. And frankly, I'm even more baffled. The other contractors seem to be just as antsy and nervous as I am. But the company men, the guys who've been with Trinity for a long time, they're drinking it up and asking for seconds.
Cults. Gotta love them. Do I? I don't know if we do. Right. Now we're up here. I don't know what I'm doing up here exactly, except for maybe ziplining. I guess, sure. I feel like I should be doing more with those radio towers, but I don't, I cannot figure out how to make those rope arrows still. Well, so I guess until I figure out how to make them, we're just gonna keep going. Whatever. All right, cutscene.
Your reports have ceased. Trinity's growing concerned.
We've had trouble with the natives. Our communications were offline, but everything is
I'm not a
now
native.
under
I'm a
control.
British
If the
aristocrat.
situation becomes untenable,
Historically, we
will
like you to get
step
those
in.
things straight.
It won't. You sent me for a reason. I was chosen for this. I will succeed.
See that you do.
Hey!
Whoops. Oh. Oh, situational awareness, Lara. appreciate that she's wearing
Lara,
the undershirt.
are you okay?
There's not a whole lot of cleavage going on, or not as much.
Anna,
It's okay.
what?
Hey.
What are you doing here? I don't know. I can't remember. What's happening, Lara? I'm scared.
Don't really remember this. Oh
so
no,
sorry.
yes, I do remember this character.
I didn't think they'd come after you. This is all my fault. Who? Who are they? What do they want?
That is
The
some
same thing my father was
A+
after. Oh no,
emotive
Laura. I told you not to do
animation
this.
acting.
Whatever they want, just give it to them. It's not that simple. Just hold on. I'll get us out of here.
How is that exquisite part in your hair
Somehow.
staying back? I don't understand what's happening with her hair. At all. Whoopsie. Hey, what's up, Constantine? You creepy fuck. Oh no! Oh no.
Don't touch her! Please. No.
Is it?
Talk!
No! No, you bastard!
Where's the divine source?
Please! Just stop! I don't know where it is!
Are we gonna go there? All
That's
right.
enough. She doesn't know.
Oh shit!
What?
Damn!
You... No. You're with them! I can't believe this. You can't!
Pretty good twist, not gonna lie. Oh.
You couldn't let it go.
Oh, you done riled the dog!
I knew you'd find your way to this place. What did you expect? It doesn't have to be this way. We seek the same thing.
Do we?
We could use someone like you.
I bet you could. I'm
You
great.
want a purpose in your life?
If you ever need somebody
You've
who
got
can
to be kidding.
disable
I've
3 out of
seen
5
how
radio
Trinity
towers
operates.
and lose a
Is that
deer.
no? It's a no fucking
Please.
way!
Oh!
Tell me, Anna, were you
She's got a mouth
recruited
on
by
her.
Trinity before or after you started screwing my father? I loved Richard, but he was
No.
blinded by idealism, and it destroyed him. What would you do with the artifact? Show it to the world. Redeem your father's good name. You're still so naive. Just
And
a
you're
frightened little
rude.
girl trying to walk in her daddy's shoes.
Yeah! I love that trope so much. I just love it whenever a hero
We're done
spits
here.
in a villain's
No.
face.
Not yet. You and I, we can still be on the same side of history. Think about it, Laura.
Think about it, man. It's a pretty great coat you got there, Constantine. I just wanna make sure you know that. I may despise everything else about you, but damn fine coat.
This isn't over. Bastard!
Yes, Lara, I like anime too.
Perhaps that's all he knows how to be.
I thought I was alone.
So did I.
Did we just find the canon love interest?
So what should I call my new acquaintance?
Nothing. I won't be staying.
Constantine has little patience.
Nor do I.
So I see. Nice trick. Can you get us out of here?
There's no us. I don't even know who you are or why you're here. Sorry. I'm not feeling particularly trusting right now.
You won't get far without me.
Really?
You don't know how far I've come. What do you know about them?
A sect. Ancient and secretive. They believe
Is
themselves
there
to be
anything in
the
here?
God.
There's nothing in
From
here.
what I've seen, they're pretty far from holy.
Let's see what we can find around here. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah.
And what do you plan to do with that?
Anything I
I'll
want.
let you know when I think of it.
Ooh. Okay, can bust through the wall with that. Anything else? Nope. Looks like that's it. And yeah.
Well, I've heard that.
All the more reason to get out of here.
Come on. Squeeze. Squeeze those now more reasonably sized breasts. Through the I'm sorry, no offense to my large chested friends out there. There we go.
No, but I found something that might be useful.
Oh, recruit bow. And rope. Okay, there we go. Now we can get some of those rope arrows. Rope arrows happening? Maybe. Okay.
Careful.
Use the rope
We
arrow
don't want to
pull
attract attention.
enemies or objects. Wrapped in rope. Like what? Like a rat?
They're after the same thing as you. Something we can't give them.
Can't or
What
won't.
am
Is there a difference?
I looking for?
Yes, one implies a choice.
Smart.
Ah, there we go.
It
Yeah.
worked. Can you get out?
Hell yes, I can get out. Don't even worry about it, bro.
Wait. Let me out.
Why?
I can't trust you.
We may not be enemies. I can see that. I suspect you do too.
I work better alone.
I know the layout. I know the land.
Great. Who are you? Laura, please do not trust this guy.
Maybe I can offer you something more valuable. I know what you're all after.
That is the face of someone who is about to make a huge mistake and knows it.
Thank you. I'm Jacob.
Lara,
Jacob,
take this
Jacob and
in
Sons.
case we get separated.
Wait, do you have another one of those? I think so, right?
We have to move. The guards will be coming through on rounds any moment.
Do you know the way out?
Yes. I've had some time to study this place.
Okay.
How long were you in that cell?
Long enough to learn that Constantine won't stop until he's found what he's looking for.
The divine source. Is it here?
Come
Trust
on,
must
move
go both
faster.
ways, Lara.
You are such a slow walker.
What is this?
A history lesson. This place has its own scars.
We really have no time for
It
that.
was a work camp.
We got here.
I finally laid my betrayals bare. Lara knows the truth.
Now a strange series of emotions has gripped me. Remorse, certainly. Remorse for a piece of me that was left inside that torture cell. But something else, too. I know Constantine thinks that I've lost my edge, that my time with the Crofts has made me soft.
I
but
must
he's
make sure
wrong.
that Constantine's arrogance
It is
doesn't get the
softness.
better of him as we take on.
Feels
Okay, I
instead
like
like
that.
a
I like
new
Anna as a
kind of
villain
resolve.
who's like, this dude is
I knew
gonna
Lord Croft
fuck
to be an
everything up
intelligent man.
for me. I know what Lara's
know his
capable
daughter
of.
holds secret.
We gotta, yeah. Okay, I'm really into this whole situation with Anna. Yeah! Very close now. What we got here? Just some things. That's okay. I'm not going through that yet.
Our best chance of escape is to make our way to the old train yard.
And what then?
My village is in the valley on the other side of the mountain. We will be safe there.
The Soviets sent prisoners here to work in the mines.
Yeah.
Even that wasn't enough. They captured our people, took children from their mothers to work as slaves.
Those are ancient. What did they find?
You'll have to ask them. We have to go. We aren't safe here.
Oop, okay. Doesn't seem like that was much of a history lesson, but sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's some parts. And now we can go. I really strongly encourage both of you to move a little bit faster. There we go.
That'll be the last shipment. Reports of trouble at the communications depot. More natives.
Next, we caught an armed intruder from the outside. Some woman. She stirred up trouble on the perimeter.
Now I'm supposed to
expecting others?
Possibly.
here. Alright. Alright. Okay.
Stay here. I'll take care of this.
That's my girl.